Here's my review of the FEZIBO height adjustable electric desk. As you can see, it's a nice size and it fits everything I need in order to work. So I'm going to walk you through some of my favorite features of it. As you can see, it's a pretty good size. It's got two different shelves so I can have my monitor on the top and then my computer here on the bottom. I really like these drawers. They store just enough stuff but not too much. Helps keep my desk decluttered. Here is the electric height adjustable feature. The really cool thing here is that you have 3 different presets, so you can choose as you can see, this is doing this automatically. So now I've adjusted it to the seated position so I can easily sit. And when I'm ready to stand, does it automatically. Once you measure it, you program, and it's just as easy as that. Another feature I really like is this area under here. I was able to get a power strip to stay there so it doesn't interfere underneath too much. The other feature I really like about this desk is that it's on rollers, so at any time I can drag and reposition this to wherever. Overall, I highly recommend the FEZIBO height adjustable electric desk. It's super easy to use. It makes it really nice to go from standing to sitting while you're working, and the fact that it's on rollers helps a ton in case you like to reposition and move your desk around your office. Highly recommend.